Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's talk more about policies. So what I will do, I'll just create a new policy. Let me create a policy and sorry, I should refresh. Continue. I landed on the IAM dashboard. Then I clicked on policies, and then I click on create policy, and then I need to select services. So basically, to edit the policy, we have either we visually we can do it. So through visually, we first will select the service. For example, I'll select the IAM service, and then within IAM service, I have all those options available, right? I'll select all IAM actions, right, for all resources. Through JSON also it's possible. It's just you need to select for which of the service type. Okay, we I mean that is also possible. I prefer this visual one because it's quite easy, and I will add maybe more permission. I'll add for another service EC2 example. I selected EC2 again, all EC2 instances, right? It is showing warning because it's in AWS we of course we work on least privileged access. I mean wherever required, you just provide the least privileged access for that user or group. Okay, so yes, click on next, and we have given permission of EC2 and IAM full access for these all resources. That is what we have given. Just give some name, so maybe I'll give my policy for demo. Okay, and some description that is optional we can give, some tags again optional we can give, etc. Permission again we can add it from here, that is fine. Click on create policy, and the policy is created. Okay, it's asking for feedback, it's okay. So we just created the policy. Let's search for that policy, my policy for demo. This is the one I just created. Now this policy is created. I want to attach it to maybe a user or group, right? Preferably group, that is the recommended approach, but to a user also we can assign the policy. To select this policy, and then click on action and attach. Right now this is not attached to any of the user or group, that's why detach option is not coming. But otherwise if it is already assigned to some group or user, the detach option will also pop up. Click on attach, and then it will show all the users and groups we have. Select them, and we can see we had created an IAM user, that is also reflecting here. User groups, we created 2 user groups, that is also reflecting here. So let me attach this policy to the user. Okay, to the user I created, and attach policy. Okay, simple, it's already attached. Now we can go back to user, click on user, and the permission and policies, right? It should see that policy also which we just added. And we can say that policy is reflecting here, that we just created my policy for demo. Okay, so this is how we can attach a policy. Now similar to that, again we can detach also. So I will just open that policy again, my policy for demo. This time I should see the detach option also there. So click on that, detach, and then wherever we have this policy attached to, all those entities will display here, and then we can selectively select for which entity we want to remove it, detach it. So for example, if let me try it. So what I will do, first I will attach it to that group also, my policy for demo, and I will attach to, I have attached it to user, that's why that user is not showing up, but I will attach it to the both the groups also. Attach policy, and now I will search again that policy here, and this time I will try to detach, and I can selectively select. So for example, I just don't want it to be for user, but for group I still want, because my user is already added to that group, so it will inherit from that group. So I can just detach the policy. Okay, that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.